Alright, so good morning once again. So in this video, I'll show you some examples. Some examples that will give you the idea of के त भन्दाखेरि average rate of change. है so average rate of change को लागि म के गर्छु भन्दाखेरि let me go to my tablet and then just okay, so here is the delta math. Let me search for average rate of change. Alright, so what I'm trying to do is this one. है यो क्वेसन देखिरहेछ नि हैन सो यहाँ के भनेको छ भन्दाखेरि okay, so first of all we will do from the table method, है table method, and then we will certainly go to the graph funny. So given the function defined in the table below, find the average rate of change in the simplest form of the function over the interval 0 to 9. So 0 देखि 9 सम्मको इन्टरभलमा you know the value of your function and you are asked to find the के त भन्दाखेरि average rate of change. Right? So how we do that? See, so for the average rate of change, basically हामीलाई पहिला सुरुमा त लेख्ने एउटा केही न केही डिभाइस चाहियो, and then let me open that. So we are interested in finding average rate of change in the interval. के भनेको छ? In the interval, if you see again, in the interval 0 and 9, in the interval 0 and 9. अब यहाँ के छ, टेबल यसरी बनाएको छ नि त हैन, यहाँ x लेखेको छ, यहाँ fx लेखेको छ. So we are only interested in finding the value of this function at x equals to 0 and x equals to 9. So if you look at the graph once again, so 0 मा 10 छ, 9 मा 64 छ. 0 मा 10 छ, 9 मा 64. 0 मा 10, 9 मा 64. So these are the given values. Right? So now, how do we find the AROC, average rate of change भन्दाखेरि f of 9 minus f of 0 over 9 minus 0. That is the formula. So that's going to be 64 minus 10 over 9, which is basically 54 over 9. So that is 6. हाम्रो answer के छ त भन्दाखेरि 6 छ. Let me see. 6 राखेर मैले सबमिट गरे भने राइट हुन्छ है. सो यो टेबलबाट भयो. नाउ अब इक्वेसनबाट पनि हेरौँ एकचोटी. See, so given the function x square minus 7x plus 8, x square minus 7x plus 8, अब from equation बाट है, from equation. So fx is x square minus 7x, let me see the function once again, plus 8, and we are supposed to find the average rate of change in the interval of 1 to 8. This is the question. So how we do? So पहिला सुरुमा f of 1 भ्यालु पत्ता लगाउने. So f of 1 भनेको यो जुन इक्वेसन छ, this equation as you can clearly see. So you simply replace the value of x by 1. So that's going to be 1 square minus 7 times 1 plus 8. So which is 1 minus 7 plus 8, which is 9 minus 7, which is 2. Again we will find f of के त भन्दाखेरि यो 1 निक्ल्यो. Now we will find f of 8. So f of 8 is equals to, the equation is x square minus 7x plus 8. Yeah, this is the equation, right? So x square minus 7x plus 8, if you replace that x with 8, we will get 8 square minus 7 times 8 plus 8 equals to 64 minus 56 plus 8. And so that's going to be 72 minus 56, if I am not wrong, right? So 72 minus 56 is 16. Is that 16? 72, 56. I'm so bad at math, bro. 6. Yeah, it's 16. So 16. So now the average rate of change is f of 8 minus f of 1 divided by 8 minus 1. So that is the formula we know. So that's going to be 16 minus f of 1 कति निक्लेको छ हेर्नुस् त f of 1 is यहाँ 2 निक्लेको छ है हैन 2 निक्लेको छ. So 2 over 8 minus 1 is 7. So that is 16 minus 2 is 14 over 7, which is your answer is 2. So let's see if 2 is the correct answer. हामी 2 राखौं submit answer. Okay, so that is how you calculate. Right? So this is how you calculate. एउटा मैले ग्राफबाट सरी टेबलबाट गरे एउटा इक्वेसनबाट गरे. अब let's see from the graph पनि. Okay. So in this case I think I need to copy this image and bring to my notability. Let's see if I can do this either. Alright, so here you are. Alright, thank you. Oops. So this is the kind of question we have. The function is given, right? The function is the function of the graph of the function is given, and then we are supposed to find the average rate of change in the interval of this -2 देखि 1 सम्म. So -2 ma, if you can see -2 is here. मैले यसलाई yellow भने -2 मा हाम्रो भ्यालु कति छ भनेर हेर्नु पर्यो पहिला सुरुमा. This is the value. So f of -2 equals to त्यसैगरी f of -1 equals to दुईटा भ्यालु चाहिँ हामीले ग्राफबाट हेर्न सकिन्छ. If I increase that, so I can see -2 मा मेरो भ्यालु भनेको यो भ्यालु हो, which is I guess it's -25. Similarly, oops, माथि लेख्नु पर्ने म तल लेखेछु -25. Similarly, f of -1 मा हेरौँ त ल. f of -1 मा यहाँ छ भ्यालु, this is है -10. So those are the two values I am interested in. So now you can simply do average rate of change equals to के त भन्दाखेरि sorry के भयो यहाँ बिग्रियो. Wait. Okay, here. So average rate of change भनेको f of -2 minus f of -1 over -2 minus -1. So this is the formula. है. Remember यो -2 यहाँबाट आएको है, and then यो -1 यहाँबाट आएको, यो minus the formula को minus भयो. So if I plug in the value, I will get -25 minus f of -1 is -10 over -2 plus 1. So that is -25 plus 10 over -1. हैन, म खाली हिसाब मात्रै गरिरहेको छु. I am doing nothing. Equals to, so that's going to be -15 over -1, which is 15 answer. Solve मात्रै गरेको है. Let me see if I am doing it right. 15 ल, म 15 लेखौँ है त. 15, submit the answer. So that's how you do. Right, sir. So again, let me see if there are some different kind of questions. Okay, so त्यति हो. एउटा सो हामीले के गर्यौं भन्दाखेरि हामीले पहिला सुरुमा एउटा टेबलबाट गर्यौं, एउटा इक्वेसनबाट गर्यौं, and then we did it from the graphical method पनि. So in this way we understand the examples on average rate of change है त.